Hello, my name is George Kuruvilla, and I'm a student in the Gies iMBA program. I have an engineering background and in senior leadership in my organization at present. To be most effective in a leadership role, I knew that I needed to address the gaps in my knowledge in accounting and finance. I'd been doing that through 3-month training programs at Harvard, Stanford, and other institutions, but felt it was high time to pursue an MBA. I have a family and I travel extensively, so I was looking for an online MBA that was flexible and affordable. But I also wanted a program that was progressive, that changes with time, and that offers specializations that are relevant. I found that in the iMBA program at Gies College of Business. I'm able to immediately apply what I learned in the iMBA classroom in my daily work. It's changed how I think and benefited my leadership skills. I've been promoted 3 times since I began the Gies iMBA program 2 years ago. It's been a remarkable return on investment.